Perfect. Lori doesn't have her cell, which means it's still in there charging. Our mission is to infiltrate her room and delete the message before she gets back.
But Lori's room is off limits.
I know. That's why I need you to be a lookout for her.
That's easy. I'm always on the lookout for Lori.
Then let's do this.
In position.
Roger that.
I know poop when I see it. And that's definitely some poop.
Drat the Popo! I can't go through, so I'm gonna have to go over. I'm in.
Great. Proceed 2 clicks north, hook a left, and you should be right over the target.
I've got eyes on the package.
Lincoln! Lori's coming!
You're going to have to stall her.
Roger that. Hey, beautiful. You take these stairs often?
I will now, handsome.
Hey, Lori. It's your dear brother, Lincoln. Message deleted.
And that's how we're gonna do it.
I love it! Especially the part where I get to talk to Lori.